Go High Level's Ask AI is a huge game changer. It turns marketing your business and running your business on its head.
In this example, we're going to generate a custom list of prospects. We're also going to generate a markdown table with the list that it pulls, the data that it pulls out. And we're going to tell it to search websites from the list. And we're going to add the generated list as new contacts within my CRM. And last but not least, we're going to take those contacts and we're going to tell Ask AI, put them all in this specific pipeline at this specific stage. So let's get started.
Now it's searching on Google for these leads, and based on the specific criteria that I've given it. But here I have a helper. Ask AI is doing this research for me. Do you realize how quickly now you can generate leads right within your account? Just simply by, giving it instructions on how to do that, what to look for, where to look for, and your criteria. Now look, you see it's thinking, it's telling me what it's doing. Okay, now it says, okay, I've got them. Here's your complete list. It identifies hot, no chatbot, active Google Ads, and WordPress. So these are the companies that fit into that are hot. And the picture angle, the warm leads, and then the ones has a chatbot but still basic, these guys. Now it's going to tell me this is everything that I'm going to do, and it's asking me for permission before it proceeds. You see, so this way I am completely in control. So it says create 25 new contacts with the tags contractor, has a chatbot or no chatbot. Creates 25 opportunities, one per contact, placed in this pipeline, in this stage. Yes, that is correct. Type confirm or yes to proceed with 50 operations. You see that right here? Okay, all 50 operations completely successful, all done. Verticals. Okay, so let's go over to my contacts. And here are all the roofing companies right here. I can go over here to our pipeline. Let me look up this one. And look, here they are in the pipeline in exactly the stage that I asked it to put them in the outreach section. See? Right here. Pretty good. If you're thinking about using Go High Level, or you already have Go High Level but would really like me to come in and set it all up for you so that you can get up and running a lot faster, GoHighLevelTrialBonus.com. And in here, you can see that I offer a quick start system, 12-step quick start system. This is basically everything that I can do. For I can do it all or just a few things depending on what your needs are. Again, it's the GoHighLevelTrialBonus.com. Okay, you want to use Go High Level, you haven't signed up yet, and you'd like me to then come in and set it all up for you, then you can choose this one and I'll walk you through step by step what to do. And then say you already have Go High Level, but you really haven't done much with it yet. You need some help setting it all up for you. That's where I come in as well. And you can just click on this third one here, which will then take you to a checkout and where you can then book an appointment with me. And we'll talk via Zoom about exactly what you need. And what you're looking for. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and have a great day. Take care.